Happy. It is time to just happy. Being. Sad, angry, overthinking. Is not worth any more. Just things flow. Be positive. Year. Every year teaches you 2 things. 1. No one is permanent. 2. Life has to move on. Future and past. It is not future. You afraid of. It is fear of past. Repeating. Itself that haunt you. Worldly life. vs. Spiritual life. In worldly life, there is sorrow and suffering. In spiritual life, there is absolutely peace and bliss. Destination. Depend on. Decisions. And not on. Conditions. Master or slave. Depend on. Power. Money. Faith. Position. Opposite sex. Insult. Never respond to insult. The main purpose of insulter is to make you act without thinking. Frustrate them with your silence. Lazy brain. Computer and smart device have become efficient in doing most our work, which make brain bin lazy. Challenge your brain by doing simple task. Practice your motor skills. And try to perform calculation time to time. Chronic pain. Decrease gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, is inhibitory transmitter in brain. Impact how brain process emotions. GABA, neurotransmitter, helps to regulate our emotions. Disruption in level in people suffering from chronic pain. Condition lasts 4 months to years. Half patients with chronic pain also have anxiety and depression. GABA role in medial prefrontal cortex is to manage happiness. Decrease GABA cause decrease action, emotions, thoughts. Chronic pain. Decrease GABA cause brain cells no longer communicate with each other properly and person fails to feel positive emotions, happiness, motivation, confidence. Cannot go back to previous state easily. Treatment. No drug directly increase GABA. Psychology facts of male. 1. Brain responsible for spatial reasoning and problem solving. Has larger amygdala responsible for aggression and fear. More gray matter for information process. Less white matter responsible for communication between brain regions. Higher level of testosterone affecting aggression and sex drive. Engage in risky behavior due to testosterone. Psychology facts of male. 2. Stronger flight and fight response due to testosterone. Use physical aggression to resolve conflict. Engage in competitive behavior due to testosterone. More likely cheat due to higher level of testosterone. Has stronger need for dominance and independence in relationship. Engage in physical violence in relationship. Psychology facts of male. 3. Difficulty in expressing emotions due to social conditioning. More compatible and larger brain size than female. Compete for power, strngth, money, relationships. Psychology fact of female. High sense of humor, intelligence, honesty. Involve in long-term relationship. Talk and read sentence more rapidly and early. Physical attraction resembling details about them. Cheat better but cannot explain when conflict. See more color due to genetic mutations. Good mood more often and good friend with male. Mental health. How you cope with stress and handle stress in daily life. How you feel, think. ACT. Relate together. Brain area studied in mental health research. Amygdala. Prefrontal cortex. Anterior cingulate gyrus. Hippocampus. Mental health. Part 2. Amygdala. Fear area. Always in go action. Avoid hyperthing. Escape danger. Work with prefrontal cortex. To control stressful events. Prefrontal cortex. Helps in decisions, solves problem recall memories. Anterior cingulate gyrus. Focus on task and control emotions. Hippocampus. Make and store new memory learning.